The Polestar 3 has earned a 5-star rating from Euro NCAP, the independent European car safety assessment program. The electric SUV was tested across 4 major safety categories: adult occupant, child occupant, vulnerable road users, and safety assist, and performed strongly in all, achieving an overall score of 87%. Adult occupant protection, 90%. In frontal crash tests, the Polestar 3's passenger compartment remained stable, with dummies showing good protection for the knees and femurs. Side impact tests also demonstrated excellent protection, with the vehicle scoring full points. The center airbag worked well in far side impacts, while whiplash protection for both front and rear seats was rated as good. The SUV also features an advanced emergency call system and secondary impact prevention. Child occupant protection, 93%. Child safety was a standout, with the Polestar 3 scoring full marks in crash tests for both 6- and 10-year-old dummies. It includes a switch to deactivate the front airbag for rear-facing child seats, clear airbag status indicators, and a child presence detection system to avoid accidentally locking children inside. Vulnerable road users, 79%. To protect pedestrians, the Polestar 3 is equipped with an active bonnet that lifts during impact to reduce head injuries. The car also features a responsive autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system that detects pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. The system performed well across all tested scenarios, including preventing dooring incidents for cyclists. Safety assist, 83%. The vehicle's driver assistance systems include effective AEB for vehicles, lane support, speed limit detection, and a driver monitoring system that identifies fatigue and distractions. Seatbelt reminders are standard for all passengers. The Polestar 3 proves itself to be a well-rounded and secure electric SUV. Whether it's protecting occupants, pedestrians, or using smart systems to prevent accidents, it shows a clear commitment to safety, making it a strong choice for safety-conscious drivers. Now it's your turn. What do you think about Polestar 3 safety? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.